Hi guys, Gavin McMaster here from Options Trading IQ with my 6 tips for beginners who are just getting started in options trading. So number 1, learn about stocks first. Before getting started in options trading, it's absolutely crucial that you have an understanding of the stock market. You need to have an understanding of what makes a stock go up and what makes a stock go down. You need to understand things like earnings reports, valuations, dividends, how volatility can affect a stock. And you need to have a little bit of an understanding of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So you need to have a good, solid base understanding of the stock market before you start trading options. That's absolutely crucial. Number 2, this is one of my favorite tips, and that's to read one book per month. There's so many great books out there. There's so much great information, not only on options trading, but just on the stock market, hedge funds, just the financial markets in general. So a good goal, and one that I have, is to read one book per month and just really increase that knowledge level that you have. That's one of my keys to success at options trading, is having the knowledge. So reading one book a month will really help you out getting that knowledge. Paper trade first. This one just absolutely crucial as well. Before you start trading, you have to paper trade first. You really need to understand, how options work, how the prices change, what affects the prices, how options move in relation to the underlying stocks, and you need to understand the different strategies and how they work. So before you get started, definitely paper trade. And before you add any new options strategy into your arsenal, you need to paper trade that strategy first before going live. Just, for a couple of months, just so you get an understanding of how the strategy works and how things are going to play out, and just get that experience level up. Paper trading, it's not exactly the same as having real money on the line, but it is the next best thing, and it's just really good experience that you need to have before you start risking your hard-earned capital. So number 4, and look, all of these points are just absolutely crucial, but this one is just huge. You've got to have a trading plan. Every book you read will tell you the importance of having a trading plan, whether it's options trading or just investing in the stock market in general, or even Forex. You need to have a trading plan. It's an emotional game. You'll understand this once you have your hard-earned money on the line. It does get very emotional once you start to hit a few losses. But if you have a trading plan as to how you're going to deal with not only your losses, but also when you're having profits, it'll just take that emotional aspect out of it, or help take some of that emotional aspect out of it anyway, just because you have a set of predefined rules that you're going to follow. And you can always look to successful investors who've gone before you and look at what they did. How did they trade? What sort of a trading plan did they have? And you can use that to develop your own trading plan. And then just absolutely crucial to have the discipline to just follow through on that trading plan. Number 5, the KISS principle: keep it simple, stupid. When you're starting out, there's just so much information, so many different strategies, so many different things to think about. Just my biggest tip for you here is just keep it simple. Stick to some simple strategies to start with. Stick to what you know. Don't take yourself too far out of your comfort zone. I had a period where I had a couple of really big losses, and part of the problem was I was trying out too many different strategies at once, too many new strategies, too many new things, and just had too many trades on, couldn't manage it. Had issues with exposures and things like that, and just it got a bit out of control. So just keep it simple. That's very, very crucial. And last but not least, have realistic expectations. If you're looking to get into options trading and you're just new to the game, try not to listen to these guys who are out there saying, oh, you can make $10,000 in your first month and all this sort of thing. It's not realistic. It's difficult. It does take time to learn. You're not going to be successful straight away. So just have realistic expectations going into it. Don't be expecting that you're going to be able to quit your day job in 3 months' time. It generally won't happen. So just keep it realistic, and just keep those expectations in check, and don't get too carried away by some of the hype that's out there. So there you go, guys. Those are my 6 tips for people just getting started in options trading. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and look, if you did, just hit like below or even share it on Facebook. I'd really appreciate it. And leave a comment below as well if you like. I'll get back to anyone who does comment. And if you're interested in getting access to some other great free resources such as this, just head on over to www.optionstradingiq.com. Alright, thanks a lot, guys.